Good evening. This is P. Sanjay Pradeep, register number 22 BCA0012. I'm here to present on optimizing cloud storage, a comprehensive guide to configuring Amazon S3 and Amazon EBS service. So, in this presentation, we'll explore Amazon S3, which is simple storage service, and Amazon EBS, which is elastic block storage service. And these are two vital storage services wherein their configurations and the strategies they optimize our performance and the cost efficiency in cloud storage. So Amazon S3 is a highly scalable object storage service designed to handle vast amounts of unstructured data. The main features include scalability, wherein you can effortlessly scale your storage capacity as your data grows and as your application grows. The durability and the security and the availability of data is highly favored here. And the cost effectiveness, wherein you pay only for what you use, which optimizes the storage cost. To configure a S3 bucket, first we need to create a S3 bucket. For that, we need to go to the AWS Management Console and we need to navigate to the S3 service, wherein we click the option of Create Bucket, wherein we specify a unique bucket name and the availability region where it's going to be located in. And we need to configure the bucket options for private or public access. We need to configure the encryption, wherein you can choose AWS KMS or S3 managed keys. We need to add bucket policies for access control, wherein we configure the IAM roles and the ACLs. To upload objects to the bucket, we can use AWS console, the command line interface or SDK. Then we need to set up lifecycle policies for automatic data transitions and deletions. Then to access data, we need to set permissions or signed URLs. Then we can use AWS CloudTrail or AWS CloudWatch for monitoring and analytics. The most common use cases of S3 bucket include backup and recovery, wherein they are used for cross-region replication of backups for disaster recovery. The data archiving here, the long-term storage using Glacier and Glacier Deep Archive, which is used for infrequent accesses. The content delivery, wherein hosting static websites and delivering images, videos, documents becomes much easier. The pricing, here it includes the aspects of storage cost, wherein the storage class which you have selected and the volume of data stored is measured, and the data transfer, wherein only the outbound data transfer incurs charges, and the request and the operations which you do in the S3 bucket, and the additional cost like replication, lifecycle rules, and monitoring also included in the cost. So Amazon EBS or Amazon Elastic Block Store. So it delivers scalable block storage tailored to specific EC2 instances, which significantly boost application performance and responsiveness. It ensures high availability, durability, and safeguarding for data against loss while maintaining accessibility. It caters various volume types which depend on various performance needs, ranging from general purpose to high IOPS configurations. These include a snapshot feature wherein rapid recovery process and efficient backups take place. So benefits of using EBS include EBS provides point-in-time snapshots, allowing for easy data backup and recovery. It offers scalability, wherein you only pay for what you use, and you can scale your data block storage as your application grows. High availability is a core feature, and it supports various volume types, optimizing performance for different workloads. To configure its EBS volume, first you need to create an EBS EC2 instance, and then we need to navigate to the EBS volume section and click the option of a create volume option, and then we need to specify the volume configurations like the size, type, and the availability zone where it's going to be located in. Then we need to select the volume, attach it to the existing EC2 instance, and we need to make sure that the volume resides in the same availability zone as the EC2 instance. Then we need to configure, like we need to format and mount the volume for our own needs. Then we go to the AWS console, we select the volume, then we create a snapshot for backup. And we use elastic volumes feature to change the size and performance settings dynamically, where you can resize and modify the volume dynamically. We can use AWS CloudWatch to monitor performance and utilization metrics. The 5 volume types include: one is general purpose SSD, which is used for a balanced workload. Second one is provisioned IOPS SSD, is used for high performance volumes for critical applications. And number three is throughput optimized HDD, which is used for sequential workloads like data warehouses. Number four is a cold HDD, which is used for cost efficient storage for less frequently accessed data. And number four is magnetic or legacy storage for infrequent workloads. Here also the pricing includes four aspects, wherein the number one is volume storage. You're charged for per GB or and per month based on the volume type you choose. Number two is whether it's provisioned IOPS or not. If it's provisioned IOPS, then additional costs are incurred. Number three is the snapshots. And number four is the data transfer. Even here, the only outbound data transfer is billed. The cost management strategies here include, like, first we need to select the right storage type using appropriate storage classes and specifying our workload requirements will avoid overpaying for services which we don't need. And number two is enabling lifecycle policies, like for example, elastic volumes in EBS volumes, wherein they resize volumes according to our needs. Number three is deleting unused resources. These unused resources will deleting of these unused resources will reduce the unnecessary cost, and we can leverage the use of AWS Cost Explorer, CloudWatch, and Trusted Advisor to track storage usage and analyze our storage patterns for more efficient use. In conclusion, Amazon S3 and Amazon EBS, with its unique features and multiple configuration, they significantly boost efficiency, enhance security, and reduce the cost, ultimately leading to a more effective and efficient cloud storage experience. Thank you.